According to the American Cancer Society, 1 in 7 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer in their lifetime, and nearly 200,000 new cases of prostate cancer will be diagnosed in the United States this year. As prostate cancer screening becomes more controversial, many urologists believe it's important to balance data with a common-sense approach to the personalized screening and management of prostate cancer.
The most important thing is for them to really make sure they have an accurate diagnosis. We often have men that have a cancer that they'll choose active surveillance, but their only real option might be a radical removal of their prostate. So there's been nothing in between for men, and that's the problem. So it's really about understanding exactly who's got cancer that really does require some intervention.
Oftentimes, when surgery or radiation is used to treat prostate cancer, it can lead to negative side effects, such as impotence and incontinence. But there is a less invasive, relatively new treatment garnering great results: high-intensity focused ultrasound, or HIFU. Approved by the FDA to ablate tissue in the prostate using sound waves, HIFU is radiation-free, non-surgical, and is performed by a urologist as an outpatient procedure. Men can return home the same day and are back to their normal lifestyle within a few days.
Men who are good candidates for HIFU will have a cancer that's contained and confined within the prostate. The only way to really assess that is a thorough study of the location, tumor size, and the characteristics of that tumor to determine who's going to do well with HIFU and who will require perhaps something more invasive.
A board-certified urologist globally recognized for his advanced prostate cancer diagnostic methods, Dr. Scionti is the founder and director of the Scionti Prostate Center in Sarasota, Florida. The nation's most experienced HIFU surgeon, he incorporates MRI image guidance to precisely target the prostate so the tissue can be ablated with fewer side effects.
The Scionti Prostate Center mission is to provide our patients with the most accurate diagnosis of their prostate cancer possible, so they clearly understand their full range of treatment options, and when appropriate, offer men the least invasive treatment sufficient to treat their tumor so that we can preserve their quality of life. If we can use MRI technology and superimpose the MRI onto the ultrasound image in the HIFU treatment machine, we now understand three-dimensionally where exactly that tumor lives. And then we can apply a higher dose on the tumor and consequently a lower dose of energy on critical structures that we want to preserve. This type of dose escalation, this type of energy concentration on the tumor results in better ability to kill the tumor.
When you have the word cancer, it's something that preoccupies your whole life. I'm just greatly appreciative of Dr. Scionti's time and what he's done. He's so passionate about what he does. He educated us and he demystified everything that people believe about this cancer. I would recommend to any man that you have choices, you have options. I don't consider myself a cancer survivor, but I am, and I feel pretty good.
Many urologists believe we overtreat this disease. Sometimes the treatment is worse than the disease, and it scares men. So I think there's got to be a better balance, and I think as we begin to spread this educational message, which is one of my personal missions, I think we can change the future of how we deal with prostate cancer. If you've got prostate cancer, you deserve a precise and accurate diagnosis. You deserve to know what all your treatment options are, and many times a targeted HIFU treatment is going to be a great option. And if it's not, then we need to direct that man to what the best option for him is going to be.
Whether through treatment or active surveillance, there is no substitute for providing men with the compassionate attention and state-of-the-art care they deserve. Learn more today about the Scionti Prostate Center, your pathway to personalized prostate care. For more information, visit SciontiProstateCenter.com or call 866-866-8967.